Today I'm going to show you how to make the world's best ultimate bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. Did you know that 70% of all bacon in the US is consumed at breakfast? And the average American eats 18 pounds of bacon a year. Hey, I guess that makes me above average. The bacon's looking pretty good. Voila. Before we go any further, it's not a bad idea to check your stats once in a while. 135/80, good enough for me. You don't really want to go overboard when you add these vegetables. So we're going to add some lettuce and a little bit of tomato toast. Now that is the ultimate BLT. Let's cut her open and see what we got here. All right, let's try a taste. Oh, man. This is delicious. I'll tell you, if bacon ever kills me, I win. So good. Here's to staying positive and testing negative. Cheers. Here's to testing positive. Ha!